Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and share your LinkedIn follow link, a simple way to let others follow you instantly from your website, social media, email, or any other online platform. This is a great feature if you want to grow your professional audience and make it easy for people to stay updated with your posts and activities on LinkedIn. Now, before we begin, there are a couple of requirements you should know. To access the follow link, your LinkedIn account needs to have a good standing history and follow LinkedIn's professional community policies, and your location must be outside mainland China. Once you meet those conditions, here's how you can find and share your follow link. Start by opening LinkedIn on your desktop and click on the Me icon at the top of your homepage. From the drop-down menu, click View Profile. Now, look at your introduction section near the top of your profile and click Contact Info. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find the follow link under the Sharing on Socials section. If your account qualifies, you'll see two options, plus copy link or plus copy code. Click either one depending on whether you want a direct link or an embedded button. Once copied, you can paste it anywhere, in your website footer, your blog, your email signature, or even your social media bio. That way, anyone can follow you on LinkedIn with just one click. If instead you see Learn More under the follow link, it means you currently don't meet the criteria to access it. In that case, review LinkedIn's professional community policies, stay active, and check back later to see if the option becomes available. And here's one extra tip. To make your follow link appear as your main profile button instead of Connect, go to your LinkedIn settings, then under Followers, set Follow as your primary action. This helps people follow you more easily, especially if you're a creator or thought leader. And that's it. Now you know how to find, copy, and share your LinkedIn follow link or button anywhere you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.